All right, so we are Math 022, page 63, and page 63, and we are doing problem 29. It's about section 1.5. So on the problem number 29, you got 1 over 2 times x minus 3 equal 5 over 12 plus 2/3 of 2x minus 5. So yes, you're correct. The LCD is 12. But I really want you to focus on the fact that, and I'm going to maybe, I could focus on the fact that you need to calculate your LCD. What you need to do basically is calculate your LCD and following the same process that I'm doing now, because what we are going to do now is what you are going to have to do later during the semester. Right. So the LCD, you take all the denominator and you all completely factorize into prime each denominator. And that is always the same thing. No matter which denominator you're dealing with. Your denominator could be 2x plus 4. Your denominator could be x squared minus 7x plus 5. Your denominator could be x plus 7 multiplied by x plus 3. At the end of the day, it's always the same methodology. So you completely factorize into prime. 2, it's 2. 3 is 3. 12, it's 3 multiplied by 2 squared. We good? Where you go? Did you take your phone? Did you take your phone? Yeah, you don't need to take your phone. You can leave your phone, right? No, not really. I just would like you to leave your phone right here. I would appreciate that. Thank you. So we end up to have 2 squared, 3. The LCD is the multiplication of each factor with the highest power. 3, 2 squared, and we're good. Factor 2 to the 1, factor 2 square, I take the factor 2 with the highest power. Therefore, you're correct. Now your LCD is 12. Make sense? Finding the LCD follow a reasoning. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, so now when you have your LCD, you are going to multiply the left side of your equation by your LCD, and you are going to multiply the right side of your equation by your LCD. Okay? All right, if I do that, 12 divided by 2, it's 6. 6 times x minus 3. Equal 12 multiplied by 5 divided by 12, the 12 cancel out, 5. 12 divided by 3, it's 4. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 8 times 2x minus 5. There you go. We good? Does that make sense? If I multiply, let me basically having this, basically what we did is this, equal 12 multiplied by 5 over 12, plus 12 multiplied by 2/3 of 2x minus 3. 12 divided by 3, it's 4. 4 multiplied by 2, it's 8. 12 divided by 12 disappear. 12 divided by 2, it's 6. Now you get it?
Yeah.
And then you distribute 6x minus 18 equal 5 plus 16x, because 8 by 2x give you 16x minus 40. And then you reorganize to have only all the variable on one side and all the non-variable on the other side.
Right.
So you are going to subtract 6x like this. 6x disappear. And you are going to add 40 and subtract 5, add 40 and subtract 5. You end up to have on this side 10x, and on the other side you end up to have minus 23 plus 40, which is plus 17. And you end up to have x equal 17 divided by 10. Because to have x binding by itself, you divide by 10, you divide by 10. We good?
Yes.
All right.
I can understand that now.
All right.